Hey everyone, welcome back, and here's a little video I put together for you on how to grow your nails long and strong. So first of all, what you're going to need is a mixing bowl, a teaspoon, a cup of orange juice, and some olive oil. What you're going to do is take your orange juice, which is high in folic acid, which is key into building strong, healthy nails. Also olive oil, which is great for moisturizing your cuticles and helps stop breakage by giving you that extra moisturization that you need for your skin, cuticles, and nails. Add 2 teaspoons of that, and then just take it and give it a little mix like so. And what I like to do is I like to soak my fingers and my cuticles, my nails, into this mixture for around 10 to 15 minutes. And I recommend doing this at least once a week. Also, the orange juice is high in acidity, which will help get rid of any discoloration that you may have in your nail beds. So here I am showing you how to file your nails properly. I like using just the emery board, and I like using the softer side just so it don't tear up my nails and also not take them down too short. Be careful when filing your nails. Make sure you go in one direction. Also on the sides, very gently go back only in one motion. Make sure, because if not, you're just going to be tearing up your nails and making them more prone to snags. I like keeping a nail file with me wherever I go because you never know when any little mistake may happen. I like filing my nails square, as you can see, and just very gently go back and forth. When filing your nails is really important, as you can see. So there you have it. Another little quick tip here is just get some of that same olive oil, pour a little bit into your hands, and take it and just mix it around, and pay close attention to your cuticles and any dry spots you may have, especially during these harsh winter months. Skin can get a little dry. I love doing this right before bed, and it's super beneficial and it smells awesome. So another helpful tip I can give you is before you do your dishes, take some of your favorite lotion and apply it to your hands. I use a generous amount, and what I do is I rub it into my skin, into my cuticles, massage it into your skin really well, and then I like to take my rubber gloves and I put them on before I do my dishes. It's very important that you protect your skin, and I like because the temperature of the warm water while you do your dishes actually softens your hands and protects your skin and nails while you're actually doing your work. And here I'm just showing you how I wash my dishes. So I like to leave some lotion by my sink in the kitchen, and when you take off your gloves, your hands are left soft and smooth and in better condition to when you first started. Thanks for watching. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe.